And here it is, the Astron Omega, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is gonna be my worst crash ever. Ooh! Stage pointing straight down. That is serious. What could have went wrong? There's the board. Wow. Wow, total destruction. So I've been into the hobby, into model rocketry for many years now. I started when I was 9 years old, building and flying in New Jersey. Staging is one of the fascinating things in the hobby. I just like to know, like in the history, how that come about. I never really heard a story on how that came about, just to figure out that you could stack, two motors, and this bottom motor ignite that other one and pop these fins off and go higher. I guess it's all physics at the end of the day, but it's just a great thing to fly two-stage rockets. But the Astron Omega has a deep story with me, and it's a good one.